Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today we're back at Slideways Motorsport. We're going out in that little Fiesta. We're going to take a look around this place. Some pretty cool stuff here. Again, there's always cool stuff here, I love coming here. But he messaged me this morning and said, hey, fancy riding a rally car? Well, who am I to refuse a ride in a rally car? I've never been out in a rally car before, so you're never going to say no to going out on one of those. Sequential box, heads-up display, full setup, road legal still, so we're just going to head out in it. But first, let's have a look around. So this is what we're going in later on today. It is a full Fiesta rally spec Fiesta, majorly built with sequential gearbox. You can't really see it from in here, but full cage, proper kit. This is all underneath. So we're going to pull the cruiser in a sec. Do some work on the cruiser, I think, and then head out for a little test drive. Little dead Evo here, being rebuilt. Some other stuff that Ant works on. Bits like this, 350Z. You've got your standard cars, obviously, that he'll help with. Look at this old Corrado. Man, you don't see many of them anymore. Good. Big Dodge Ram. Scooby-Roo, and then this is possibly my favourite thing here. Full carbon, the whole thing, all carbon Evo. This thing is so light that it can literally be picked up as it sits now, and you can move it around the floor. All carbon, bro, all carbon. And obviously the old engine sat in there, again full carbon fronted. You've got the buggy sat outside, the cruiser sat there, which we're going to pull in a sec. This, if you've watched any of my previous videos, you recognise the Evo. That was in my last video when I was last here. And then obviously through the gates there, the old 911 coming back from a test drive. Maddest thing I've ever been in. It's crazy loud. It's actually pretty cool. It's so quick for what it is, little Fiesta. Anyway, that's I record some of the road driving so you can hear the noises and watch the sequential, and it's mad. Check out the dials.
mad, isn't it?